In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 0xc00007b. The application was unable to start correctly. To solve this annoying error, please watch this video till the end. First, you need to click on Windows plus R key of your keyboard to starting the run command. Now, here you need to type Control. Click on OK and a new window will open up and you need to go to Programs. From here, Programs and Feature, you will find Turn Windows Feature On or Off option. Click on it. Make sure these two boxes is checked. One is Net Framework 3.5 and another is Net Framework 4.8. This is most essential step to avoiding these errors. If it's unchecked, then check it and click on OK. Now open your browser. From here, you need to search for DirectX End User Runtime. And the first link is provided by Microsoft official website. Click on it and here in this page you need to select your language. You will find some language, select yours one and click on download. After download the setup file, just simply click on it and we need to set up this file and install it in our system. Here they say that Smart Skin cannot reach right now. Don't worry, just simply click on run and here your system will ask for the permission and then click on I accept the agreement and click on next. Here just uncheck this box, then click on next. After a few seconds, you can see the installation is completed. Click on finish and the DirectX is now successfully installed in our system. Now we just need to restart our PC, then check again and hope you will find that the error is successfully solved and you can open the application without any hassle. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative, helpful video. Till then, goodbye.